Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you. Can see what we got here. This is HP LaserJet Pro 3002DW. This printer is HP LaserJet Pro 3002DWE. This printer, you can only print with this gear. You need to connect this printer using HP Smart App. If you connect with this printer with HP Smart App, you can do a lot of stuff with this printer. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you how to load and how to load the ink toner. Okay, at the back here, the power cable, 2 power cables included in the packaging. This one is 3-pin, and this is the second one, 2-pin. Just above here, you have the telephone broadband line, and the up is USB cable. I want to say, unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. This is the USB cable, what it looks like. Canon can use it, Epson can use it, HP can use it. USB cable is universal, and like I mentioned, this printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. It goes here, and this flat end goes to your PC, to your laptop. Once you connect this to your laptop, it will recognize it. Then you download the software HP Smart App to use this printer. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check at the back. Check for any paper jam and debris right here. Okay, and gently close it. Now open up this section. This is the paper tray. You load various sizes of paper: A4 paper, B5, A5, photo paper, various sizes of paper right here, and adjust it. Okay, only what you need to do is for you to adjust it to particular paper you are using. Okay, so just go back, press this lever, and adjust it. Okay. So you want to extend it, then you need to press here to extend it. Okay, this is full length. To press, to extend it, just need to press to extend. Okay, now, okay, it's in. Now, I'm going to bring the camera to show you. This is the on and off button for this printer. This is the Wi-Fi button, information button. This is the resume. At the moment, it's showing us the Wi-Fi is not yet connected. The paper is not yet loaded. Okay, and what we want to do is to show you how to basically load the toner. Okay, this printer is using 139 toner, and this printer is high performance, high productivity gear. You can print duplex. Okay, so you can print duplex and wireless. Okay, best for small businesses and home office that need black and white printing gear. This printer can only print black and white. Okay, and it's easy to set up with printing speed of 33 prints per minute with A4 paper, and it's using HP Wolf Pro Proactive Embedded Security. Okay, so print, scan, and save time with shortcuts using HP Smart App. So you can use your HP Smart App, print, send it to this printer and print it out. Likewise, you can take a picture from HP Smart App, send it here and print it out. Okay, so this printer is HP LaserJet Pro 3002DW. What we're going to do is to install the toner, lift up this end. Okay, this printer, like I said earlier, is using ink toner 139A. Okay, 139A, here we go. So this is the toner. You can see what it looks like. Beautiful. The number is here, 139. 139A. Okay, you can see the arrow here from the toner. You just need to go in. Okay, go in. Once you are in, make sure you check for this. Okay, these corners here, go in. Okay, then gently keep going. Okay, so this is how to install the toner. Okay, this is the serial number for this printer, LaserJet Pro. The serial number is in here in case if you need to contact HP. Okay, so this is how to install the toner. If you want to remove it, gently remove it. This is what the inside looks like. Then you go back in. Okay, you are in. And close it. Beautiful. So this printer is a high performance printer. You can use it for up to 1 to 7 people, and you can print up to 2,500 pages per month. This printer will increase your productivity. Like I mentioned, you can print up to 33 prints per minute for A4 paper and load 250 sheets of paper right here. This printer got 3 months of instant ink for laser, and additional 1 year HP warranty included with HP Plus Pro. You require HP activation at setup and instant ink registration. After 3 months, monthly free apply unless you cancel. So this gear, you can set it up and receive 3 months instant ink. After 3 months, free applies. Okay, but myself, I like to use pay as you go. This gear is easy to set up. Instant ink, never run out of ink. Okay, and it's using HP Plus. HP Smart to manage. You need the HP Smart app to manage this gear. Okay, so I thought to show you this gear. This printer deserves your attention. I'm going to show you, check out my next video, how to set this up to Wi-Fi network. And you can see the smartest way to save time, print, scan, and save time with shortcuts using HP Smart app, best in client printing app. So this is the app you need. And with this gear, the Cloud Connect, smart printing, smart management, smart toner subscription, smart app, smart for the planet. Okay, so guys, I thought to show you this gear. This printer right now deserves your attention. What I'm going to do is to check out how to connect this to Wi-Fi network on my next video. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.